please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, what's happening? I opened a 1992 score box, Series 1, and my goal is to find a Joe DiMaggio card. They're selling on eBay for like $50, something like that. And here's some of the players. Got Roger Clemens, got some Hall of Famers, not really. Some players didn't really do so well. Got Don Malley, Will Clark. Will Clark's be the Hall of Fame. Like, I think they're all different styles. I think they're all different. Maybe I'll find it. Well, I hope I'm pretty sure I won't. You got a Leaf pitcher. Trying to find maybe from the players I recognize. I remember this guy was the Giants. Guy got his ass kicked by Noah Ryan and Dorian. Some of these cards, I'm starting to see a lot of repeats. Honestly, Willie Wilson, Langford. That's kind of a good card. Kind of looks like the kid from what's his name? The Sandbox. What's his name? And Jack. Jack McDonald had a decent career. I kind of mirror him. There we go, Greg. Devon White. So let me know what kind of, put in the comment section, what kind of cards you guys collect. Are you into these kind of things? Some of these cards are going to bend on the corners. So far, got Jack the Ripper right there. Mostly with the Giants. Bad Williams, made him. Eric Davis, too bad about him. He could be a Hall of Famer. Bob Beer. Here you go, Donnie Billy, Eric Weatherly. Joe Oliver. Here we go to Rusty. There's this guy. Yeah. I don't see none of these players. This guy played till he was like 100-something years old, man. Jack, him again. It kind of worries me when I see, same cards. Because that team's no longer around. The Expos are Nationals now. Kevin Bass, P.R. Ryan. Oh. I don't know, sometimes I see, so in another pack, this is the second time doing this, and I see a lot of repeats. I mean, I think there's like 600 cards per pack. Make sure you look at the errors. And Bass, I didn't even see a Will Clark card. Oh my god. That's the problem with these things, man. You just see a lot of repeats. I mean, there's 600. See, I see this many times. Second time. Oh, it gets frustrating when you just see the same stupid cards. There's like 600 cards in the series. And then the fact that it's factory sealed. Too. Yeah, this guy did some really shitty stuff. He could be a Hall of Famer, played 24 years. Did some really shitty stuff. Was a great second baseman. Regards the Astros are the American League now. Probably still around. Geez, Verhoff, married him. I think it was like top rated or something. Dave Smith. Mostly know him from the Houston. Hopefully I'll make this video kind of short. That's my goal. Last I did was like 30 minutes. No hit club. Huh. I don't know, guys. This is like so disappointing. Yeah, he used to pitch. The pitch coach should be Hall of Famer. Mark Wire. Ron Grant had a decent bear him. Felix Jose with the A's. First Bill, Cubs, mostly with the Blue Jays. Yeah, decent career. Remember his little hot head guy. I haven't seen George. I didn't see no George's other cards really. No. I already have these same freaking cards. I bought cards from different people. It's like ridiculous. I mean, when I buy some from eBay, I try to buy different cards from different. I don't know. Yeah, I remember the Giants. Hall of Famer. Other Hall of Famer. Oh, he's faking it. You can tell he's faking it. I bet it's not even like the leaf pitcher. That's kind of funny. He's faking it. I'll do something different. Steve Howell did some cocaine. Francisco Alvarez. I always get a Ken Griffey Jr. card. Third year. Marjorie Clemens again, and it worries me when I see the same stupid. Sometimes they want to fight me. I absolutely know Robert. He's one of my favorite players. Third-year card. Let's go to a decent. This guy could have been a good pitcher too. I think his daughter died a couple years ago. Of course, I bet the Red Sox he kicked in their butt when they traded him. One year he hit 50 home runs. Kevin Owens again. Got the crackhead again. Well, Clark. Speaking of the devil. Good to see his cards. Russell, Brian Hunter, Pat Rice. He's not having a good day. He's not having a good day. Dream Team. It's going to be the same Dream Team. Lannister, he has a decent career. Hall of Famer. Like near his last years. I think it was the Blue Jays. I think it was pretty soon. A World Series. Ruffle. Russell again. Oh, this guy, needs to come and get it. It's like Giants playing against Giants. Curtis. I don't know about Welch. Looks kind of like not happy right there. Harry Freeman, Hall of Famer, Dale Murphy. Should be a Hall of Fame, and Judy Reed. You ever meet a guy named Judy? Something tells me I'm not gonna find that damn card anyways. Gotta think positive, James. Think positive. Sticky. Okay. Mike Jackson. I can't remember him. I don't know. Some of these players, I don't remember them. I've seen tons of his cards. Mike Red, Kevin Ed, Expos, Barry Jones, first baseman, Steve Everdecker, Bygones, or what was it, back to back? Oh, I thought I got back to back same cards. I have in some packs I got back to back same cards. Oh god, it's gonna be the same. Stupid. Mike Heffigan. Yeah, long. Wild thing. Jose Leaf pitcher. This is really. I'm kind of disappointed. I see Toomey. I don't know. I mean, we're buying this pack again, in my opinion. We've got a lot of the same cards. Joe Carter. A lot of repeats. The cat. Sir Peter had that 1 year, had 50, before he had the 50 home runs or something. 45, he had 45. His son could be a Hall of Famer, but he has some kind of back problem. Gotta retire young. I don't know. It was kind of cool picture. I got Bush. That one guy says. At least I'm starting to see different cards. He got Mike, got Greg DiMaggio's brother. They don't look alike, honestly. Jimmy Jones. May I find a card with errors? I'm already errors in this card. These got at least a secret trivia thing. Jim God. Always have tons of his cards. Everybody were sad about him. He really kind of disappointing. Later on, he managed the A's. Now with the Padres. Blah blah. Was he Magic? Maybe. Curse. Oh, John Smokes. 5 years. Nice to see something different. Got Albert Bell, man. This guy was an animal. You watch videos. This is one of my favorite players, David Wells. Looks different without the mustache. This guy was. Plenty of stories about him. Oh yeah, he pitched a no-hitter on a hangover. He hung around the guys from Saturday Night Live and pitched a no-hitter. Bruce, Jeff, said Dream. No. I got no. My best friend from high school was a big fan of him. Yeah, Alfredo was about to get something out of second. Gross. Bob White. It was very tense in that. So far I'm doing good. 14 minutes. I think I'm trying to get it there in half an hour. Or die trying. Mars. Bo Jackson. There's a video of him getting something out of third base from right field. Yeah, too bad about him. be the first one to be a Hall of Famer on both football and baseball, maybe. His son is, say great things about his son, Junior. I have tons of this guy's cards. For some reason, I thought that he'd be a great player or something. Sable. Hall of Famer. Bill Carr should be a Hall of Famer. This guy, maybe, I don't know. He sold like 600 bases in his career. I heard he did some really dumb things. With the St. Louis Cardinals. First pink. Mike Morgan. Probably. Yeah. I don't recognize how he played. Tim Larry. Got a lot of common cards, I guess. I mean, any rookies, 12 rated rookies at all. Joey Davis. Morgan, Keely Downs, one, of course, always get a Ken Griffey card, doesn't hurt. Well, one ball puck, I think the one guy calls him. Ion Stewart had a decent career, Hall of Famer again. I guess him and Dave, Nolan Ryan, Dave Wimp got in a fight too. For some reason, everyone wants to beat the crap out of Nolan Ryan for some reason. And sequel? No again. God, no. No. Nolan Ryan. It was like last year. I never saw him pitch in a game, but I saw him warming up one time at the Coliseum. Because I think the Coliseum is one of the last stadiums to have pitching mound on the foul territory. Everybody's like on this. 24 years, down the drain. Sure. James. Robert Books. David Dishes. Like his third year card. Curious, there's a good scene of some guy played him in the Moneyball movie. But for some reason, Moneyball didn't really talk about the pitchers. Because the pitcher did a lot of stuff. They were more focused on the batters. But I don't know. David Lynch. Sam Sosa with the White Sox. Red. Oh well. I'm in good timing. Make myself proud, my steal for ones. That's sure score still around. Get rid of the tribute thing. Got Noto again. A lot of repeats. Oh God, Ricky, you're so crazy. Jeez. Spread, Scott, I don't know, 91. Bill Carr again. Matt Williams. One ball. Oh my gosh, a lot of repeats. Lots of repeats. Joey Davis, one of the best baseball names ever. Just my opinion. He played for a long time. Where is play pick? Yeah, I have the name is FU like F phase thing. He did with the flare. The card everybody's trying to get. A lot of repeats. Dry Evans. Great. This is like his last year. Played mostly with the Red Sox. Berdecker again. By going again. Somebody tells me I'm gonna find the. I gotta buy the card separate myself. Remember Amazon's selling it. Look it up. Got the eBay selling for $50. Joe DiMaggio card. Nagy. Signed the best contracts ever. I'm not gonna find the card. Maybe they all been founded. This guy couldn't hit, but he was awesome. Second baseman or shortstop. Got me a former packs ago. And you're still watching this. Thanks for watching. Thank you. You're so kind. Starting to see some different cards. This guy, some videos on YouTube, he goes crazy. We hit him, or close game hit. I'm never playing a Joe DiMaggio card. I feel like a failure. Last time I these kind of cards, I see a lot of repeats. A lot of repeats for Hall of Famer. Or guy should be a Hall of Famer. How many cards do I have? Made 3 or 4 packs left. I didn't see any top rated rookies or anything, or top. Oh, speaking of the devil. Oh, okay, speaking of the devil again. Speaking of the devil again. They saved the last Ernest Wiles. Way off. Get downs. There we go. Will Clark, my dear players. Don Manley should be a Hall of Famer. let's get this under 30 minutes. Need a lot of repeats. I think he died in an overdose. They had a lot of hopes for this guy. They were really mad. I didn't see no Ricky Henderson. Last pack. Pray for me. Last pack. Howell. Safe. Go piss. Crackhead. Horn. Nope. And we end with the Hall of Famer. So, can find it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for still watching this. Like and subscribe. Help me out this channel. I'll grow this channel a lot. Thanks for watching. And maybe I'll do better next time.